A similar situation as far as the criteria that needs to be met in order for us to get snow is what we saw on Friday. But I like our chances this time a little bit more because it looks like our moisture and cold air may be a little more in sync. This is an unconventional setup for us. It's just a cold front moving through with some moisture. But the colder air moving in behind the cold front should actually arrive while moisture is still around, which isn't something that happens very often around here. But it can every once in a while, and this may certainly be an exception to that. So we've got some colder air moving in along with the moisture. You can see on radar, it looks pretty busy out there, but radar is mostly picking up what's falling at cloud level. We still need the atmosphere above our heads to get a little more saturated and a little colder in order for this to start really reaching the ground. We've gotten a few reports of some light snow and a rain mix up in the mountains, also some drizzle across parts of the foothills and Piedmont. So just be aware, most of what you see here is not reaching the ground yet, but we expect that to change as the morning goes on. Temperatures are cold. We're hovering right around or just above freezing. Most folks in the 30s. So it is cold enough for wintry weather, at least here at the ground. But remember, what's important with winter weather is what's going on above our heads. And that's what we're going to be watching, seeing how that unfolds as to how our winter weather chances unfold through the morning. I am seeing some fog that's developed in the mountains and also across the southern and eastern Piedmont, which is a good sign that the atmosphere is becoming more saturated. So yes, moisture, cold air are increasing. As the moisture continues to spread eastward through the morning, we'll likely see a rain-snow mix start to fall and reach the ground. I think anywhere between 6 a.m. out west and then maybe 8 a.m. here in the Triad. Somewhere during that morning commute time frame, you'll start to notice the rain pick up a bit and a few snowflakes mix in. But colder air continues, and that may allow us to completely change over to wet snow late morning through early afternoon. Really that midday lunchtime hour, we could have some good snow showers moving through the area. And then by early afternoon, drier air starts to move in behind that cold front, and all this quickly starts to taper off. So we've got a few hours here this morning and through early afternoon where we could pick up some snow. Ground temperatures are still fairly warm, but those grassy elevated surfaces may be cold enough for some accumulation. Thinking maybe a dusting to a trace, maybe up to an inch on the higher side of things for the Piedmont Triad. Farther north along the Virginia border could get a little closer to 2 inches, and then maybe 1 to 3 for the mountains. I will mention, if snow starts sooner or lasts a little longer than expected, we could see some slightly higher totals. So that's something to keep in mind. We're going to see that rain change over to wet snow. It's what we're expecting. Some accumulation is possible. And we need to watch for slick spots as well. Roads should just be wet at first, but as the snow continues to fall, they may start to turn a little slushy and slick. We've got a winter weather advisory for the mountains, foothills, and Triad, not only today, but all the way through noon tomorrow, because even if roads aren't slick at first, anything left wet once the sun goes down this evening will turn slick. Tuesday morning is going to be very, very cold. We'll see temperatures fall into the teens and low 20s across the area. So anything left wet on the roads or sidewalks, steps, will quickly turn to ice as the evening progresses. So we may need to watch for a few slick spots as the afternoon and evening progresses. Take it slow and be careful on that Monday evening commute. It stays cold today, and as Arctic air filters in, temperatures will actually fall. Most folks hovering right around freezing for a good chunk of the day today before snow starts to taper off early this afternoon. Tuesday's cold as well. Watch for some black ice in the morning, then we're mainly dry for the rest of the week.